I was brought up in a small city in Transylvania immediately after the Second World War. Good in school in physics, mathematics, and chemistry. I build radios, working models of all types, and I look for adventure through scuba diving. In grade 7, I knew that I would try to become a physicist. I got my master's degree in physics from the University of Bucharest. In 1976, my family immigrated in Canada, and we never looked back. In my garage in Hamilton, Ontario, I organized my first photovoltaic plant. We made solar modules we self-purchased from Astro Power. Then we learned to make and produce our own solar cells. It was a 2,500 square foot sweatshop in which 4 Vietnamese, 2 Pakistani, and 3 Romanian worked very hard. Somehow, we were happy at the time. We all felt that we have a future. We made tens of thousands of solar modules, built a solar car, a solar catamaran, and our piece de resistance, a 5 kilowatts photovoltaic canopy. We participated in trade shows, and the most important, we started working on our Schottky barrier solar cell. Canrom's strategy was simple. We do that by demonstrating over and over that with very little investment we can build a world-class vertically integrated solar electric manufacturing capability. The bureaucrats will applaud our determination and will help us succeed. The mighty Ontario Hydro and an Ontario-based multinational noticed us and determined that if a backyard operation as ours can succeed, they can really do wonders. Those two giant boys did whatever they could to present Canrom as insignificant. They were successful, and out of the blue, Canrom became a backyard nuisance instead of a company which proved that with very little resources, success in photovoltaics can be achieved. We were doomed. When New York State Energy Research and Development Authority showed interest in Canrom's thin film technology, I did not think twice and used the opportunity to establish shop south of the border. We worked furiously and managed to impress NYSERDA year after year. In 4 years, from 1999 to 2002, Canrom advanced more than in the previous 20 years. We purchased an abandoned bowling alley, cleaned it up to look like a brand new pharmacy, and set up there our first industrial pilot line capable of producing commercial thin film solar modules. We trained university students, kept improving our technology, presented our plan to the New York State Senate, and kept informed the thin film solar module community with our progresses. We did all the right things. In a stroke of luck, in 2001, I discovered the principal mechanism of thin module degradation. The discovery is considered these days basic knowledge. Deliberately and skillfully, thin film partnership management of NREL and First Solar management portrayed the discovery as popping up of thin air. In essence, I was robbed by NREL and First Solar of the most important discovery of my life. In 2003, the manager of Thin Film Partnership invited himself to visit our plant. The visit was a great honor and also turned to be a fatal blow to our company's existence. Somehow, at the time was decided that although our thin film company is vanguard and very promising, we only would compete with another giant boy prepared to enter the arena. Our entrepreneurial spirit and acquired know-how were interfering with bigger plans, and we had to be put to rest. The above happened in 2003. Since then, I kept trying to find a business model that would work for a company as ours here in the United States of America. I only learned that such a model does not exist anymore, at least in photovoltaics. At the twilight of my life, I almost abandoned my photovoltaic ambitions. The beautiful building complex that I own in the north end of the city of Niagara Falls was once vibrant and could be once more the hub for industrial growth. 30, 60, 100 people could work here and have a productive, dignifying life. I thought that we're going to have here a technology park, a vibrant cultural institution, not another hazardous waste disposal facility. I guess I am a fool.